If we now open our order class, which is the file called order.php inside of the classes folder, after the private property table underscore 3, let's copy the name and paste underneath twice. Rename it to table 4 and 5. Then table 4 will be countries, and table 5 will be products. Now, if we go down to the method called create order, the first thing we're going to do here is to add the parameter, which will be user equals null by default. And now we're going to check if is an empty user and is an empty underscore items. If this condition is set to true, then what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to instantiate the basket object. So object basket equals new basket. Actually, we could have simply copied this from here. We can remove this is an empty user down here, and obviously scroll down and make sure that we remove the other closing bracket together with the return false statement. And if we scroll up and reduce the indent, there we go. So we've got our object basket. The next one will be object business equals new business. For the object basket, we're going to pass the user as parameter. Then for the object, after the object business, we're going to create a business variable and object business get business. We can remove this instantiation of the object user class and obviously this user, because we're passing the user record through the parameter, so we don't need this anymore. And now we're going to start with assigning the values to the fields and values arrays. The first one we're going to create before the client, I'm just going to copy this line, these two lines actually, is going to be VAT underscore number, and the value we're going to be passing through is going to be business VAT number. So the first one, then we have client. Let's separate it a little bit. If we scroll down, I'm going to copy this client here and paste it underneath. Now we're going to have first underscore name, and it's going to be user first name, because now we are storing the whole name, the addresses together with the order record. Let's just put some comment here, client data. If we copy this line, paste it underneath, then we have a last name, and that's going to be last name from the user record. Then we go, next one is the address one, and we're escaping user address 1. Then we have address 2, then town, after town we have county, postcode, if I scroll down a little bit, and after the postcode, country. Okay, after this we're going to do shipping data, and first of all we're going to check if user same address, that means that we're using the same address for the shipping as the billing address, else we're going to assign different data. And let's move to the next video and actually complete the statement.